up in Tiffield, just outside Towcester, and we're going to have a little walk up the railway line. It's not a public footpath, is it?
No.
Isn't it? Oh, it's not a public... It is. It's a public footpath. Not on the map as one.
Oh, okay.
Probably see behind just the pocket park, as they call it, or the playing field in Tiffield. And a bonfire all ready for, I don't know, coronation. Well, November's a long way off. So we got to go, just pan round through a little gate and walk up the disused railway line. We'll have a look at the sign in a minute and see what it all says. Catch you in a little while. We're only about half a kilometre up from the where you saw the little football pitch, and there's quite a deep cutting here, both sides. Trees growing up beautifully either side, and lots and lots of roots across the path. Oh look, what can I see? That looks like a big badger's set to me. Yeah, wowzers. Excavations. uh, 78L. Anything else on it? No, I don't know. I'm pretty sure this was I'm no expert on railway lines, was the railway line from Towcester up through Tiffield. Probably been disused since the 1960s, like most other railways, and of course the railway station in Towcester is now a Tesco store. Well, it's not they knocked down the railway station, didn't they? Yeah. So, anyways, we'll carry on up here for a bit, and then we're going to do a big circular all the way back to Tiffield, and pub should be open then. Right, catch you a bit. We're going to have to duck. Whoa. We're just coming up to the bridge. I'm going to climb up some steps in a second and get up on top of there. Not sure if you can get much further. I think it's blocked off. I think they only did this as a pocket park for a certain distance, and the signs certainly indicate that as well. But yeah, it's pretty impressive. Up we go. Yeah, I can't sleep actually. So we're just leaving the pocket park and going to head up across the fields. A little bit wet, Lots of dog walkers around today. But, I see somebody jogging as well. We're just coming up to the end of the walk across the fields. I'm going to take a left and go down through the trees. So, not a long walk today. We did this one last summer with the family, loads of us. It was about 28-30 degrees, so we thought we'd come back when it was a bit cooler. We had a couple of kids with us last time, so it took us hours. Right. Whew. Yeah, one of them was only 4, so she got carried most of the way around. And then the hedge behind me was absolutely full of blackberries. Really sweet as well, they were really nice. So if you're doing this walk in blackberry picking season, bring a bucket, I'd say. Jars or little bowls are going to be no good at all. Right, forwards. Right, well you might have guessed it. Definitely on a bridle way. Wow. Well, we're walking down and it's the horses have churned it up a bit. What did you just say, Karen?
No.
No. Karen thinks that the horses should drag like a mat behind them so they flatten the ground out, so it makes it easier for us to walk on. Okay.
Consider it. That would be nice and...
Well, I've heard it all now. It is kind of churned up, but it's not really muddy. It's a lovely walk down through these trees. Absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, I'm sneaking through the trees, being naughty. This is Folly Farm. There's a beautiful pond in there, but there's a house there with cars. Oh, and a camper van. Camper! I can see a camper! Well, it's a Folly Farm. There's supposed to be a folly here as well, but on the map it says on the left hand side of the road, but it's probably in the trees here on the right hand side. Oh, that is a beautiful tree, isn't it? I'll turn around. Wow. That is pretty cool. Yeah. There's a reason why me and Karen say camper when we see a camper, isn't there? But you're gonna have to wait for maybe the next video. And then yeah, this little Shepherd Strolls channel might change a bit. We thought about taking a couple of elves on and taking them with us on some travels and a camper van. So if anybody's got any really good suggestions about what we should call the channel rather than Shepherd Strolls, roaming with elves, van elfing, elves on tour, a couple of dodgy old gits with a pair of elves in their motorhome. It's a bit long really, isn't it?
Just making yourself dodgy.
Old. Old and dodgy, that's just me, not Karen. Right, well we're walking down this road. As I say, we've done this circular once before. I think we go down here and then we turn off the road by another farm, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't bring the map.
Winging it.
We're winging it, yeah. I got a backpack on just in case, you know.
Toothbrush, yeah.
You got a hairbrush for?
I know, I need a hairbrush.
Karen needs a hairbrush. Right. Back in the fields. It's coming back into Tiffield. Yeah. I've seen some beautiful tulips, but I would have had to peer over somebody's garden fence to through them, so I didn't bother. Right. Circular route completed. So, not too bad at all. Nice little stroll. Wasn't it, Karen?
Yeah.
Nice little stroll. Right. There's a pub called the George in Tiffield. Got a beautiful garden. I'll go and sit down in there for it's a bit early, isn't it? But hey ho. It's 11 o'clock. I mean 12 o'clock. I mean 5 o'clock somewhere. Camper. So the Tiffield Pocket Park follows the original railway line of the Northampton and Banbury Junction Railway. It was actually open, it went from Banbury to the main line. The Tiffield station only opened in 1869 but closed 2 years later in 1871. It was really short lived, but they did do racecourse specials to the Towcester racecourse up until 1908. I really recommend the Tiffield Pocket Park. It's a great walk, it's absolutely fantastic, and yeah, go and have a look. It's brilliant. It's a really short walk on the round we did, only about 3.5, maybe 4 miles at the most. Highly recommend it. Take care guys, see you soon.